Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to solve two-step equations. So remember, if you have an equation like 3x minus 6 equals 15, remember you can put your line at the equal sign. Remember the idea is to get the x alone by using inverse operations. So I'm going to get rid of a minus 6 by adding 6 to both sides. That will cancel that out on that side, and we're going to end up with 3x equals 21. Then to get rid of the 3 that's being multiplied, I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I'm going to get x equals 7. Remember, you can check your answer by substituting the 7 for the x for the 7 and making sure that 3 times 7 minus 6 really does give you 15. And 3 times 7 is 21. 21 minus 6 is 15. So we know we had the right answer for x. Let's do a fractional equation. Like 2/3 x plus 5 equals 17. Again, we're going to put our line at the equal sign. We're going to start by getting rid of the plus 5. You always get rid of the constant first, the number that doesn't have the variable attached to it. So you're going to get rid of that plus 5 by subtracting 5 from both sides. So then you're going to have 2/3 x equals 12. Now, to get rid of that 2/3 that's being multiplied, you could divide both sides by 2/3, but then you would have to remember to keep change flip. So when we were in school, we used to always just multiply by the reciprocal, 3/2. That cancels everything out on that side. On this side, you can multiply by 3/2. Now, if you have a fraction calculator, you could just punch that in. Or you could put 12/1 and multiply across. You could simplify the 2 and the 12, making it a 1 and a 6. And you will get x equals 18. So let's do one more equation. Because I know when people see an equation that looks like this, x divided by 5 plus 3 equals 7, they really struggle with what to do with that x divided by 5. So again, get rid of the plus 3 by subtracting 3. Now you're going to have x divided by 5 equals 4. Now you could get rid of that divided by 5 by doing the opposite, which is multiplying by 5. However, what a lot of you prefer is you put a 1 next to that x, and you think of this as a fraction, 1/5. And then to get rid of it, you multiply by the reciprocal, 5/1. So either way, you're multiplying by 5/1. That cancels everything out there. Multiply by 5 on that side, and you are going to get x equals 20. I hope that helps you with today's problems. Please let me know if you need any further help with anything, and have a great day.